Good morning, you guys. Hope you're having a really good day. Today's going to be a pretty busy morning for me. I have meetings about 3 this morning. I have another one later on in the afternoon, and the guys just arrived here to paint. So I'm going to go ahead and let them work. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the before. Like I said, I have a few meetings that I have to go to. Towards the end, I'll kind of give you guys an update on how everything is looking, and then I'll be back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me fully clearly. I do have my mask on, but I feel really good. Really good. The ceiling looks amazing. Hold on a second. So I'm currently in my oldest son's room. I've decided to do alpaca at the bottom, and then white is going to be up top, because his room, not his room, but just him in general, he likes to put his feet on the wall and everything. His bed frame is going to be blue, so I decided to go with this color in here. So I'm really loving it. The shutters are installed, you guys. The wall art has been taken off the wall. The loft, you guys, the loft looks amazing. You can see the difference between here and like here. Oh my God, it looks so good. I feel like I want to cry, but I don't want to cry. I'm probably gonna cry tonight. It feels really good just to walk around the house and seeing things take shape. If I told you that I saw this, I would be lying. And to see just how things are working out, it feels really good. I'm not even gonna lie. It feels really good. I didn't really do much for my birthday, but the fact that I was able to do, exactly what I wanted to do just overall meant a lot to me. And within my house, I wanted to create a very sacred place where I could have some level of solace and peace. This is not to say anything about anybody or whatever, so please don't read into it. This is just me being okay with me, as I am. And walking through the house today, even right now, has me extremely emotional, sad, happy, just a whole lot of different emotions all together. I am truly grateful for my faith and just overall even though I'm fearful of doing a lot, I still managed to move past the fear. I'm extremely reliant on feedback. So to be on this journey, on this road alone is crazy as hell. I ain't gonna lie, it's crazy. And I definitely told myself I was gonna fail. And I'm not failing, which is, again, crazy. It just feels, I feel like my heart is like heavy. Let me think. Don't feel stuck in any situation. Don't feel stuck at a job. Don't feel stuck on anything. When I tell you that I had to allow God to have order in my step, I truly had to allow him to have order in my step, because I didn't know how anything was going to turn out. And I'm not saying this to say things are easy. They're not easy. It's a struggle all the time. Again, I am accustomed to sharing my space with someone, but at the same token, I'm really, really happy in the space in which I am in right now, being able to freely move and freely do what makes me happy. Overall, I am creating a place of peace for myself. But anyway, give me a second. It feels really, really good. And I'm not saying it because I'm in the house. I'm not saying it because the way the house looks or the way the house is coming together. I'm saying it because even when I was at my mama's house in a bedroom with my IKEA closet and a handful of things, I was still extremely content. When I woke up, didn't really want to go to work, I was tired, but I knew that I had to kind of push through and do what I had to do, because I knew that in this walk, there was no way in hell God was going to allow me to look like anything that I had been through. I knew that. I wasn't sure how, but I knew that. So I was content when I didn't have anything. I was content when it looked like the world was going to crash down on me. And I'm definitely content that now things are starting to pick up and all that jazz. You know, on my channel, I want to share with you the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's not easy, not at all. I'm exhausted. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. But I also know that in particular, I personally want to live a certain way, and that requires a lot of work and sleepless nights and all that jazz. But today's video is just a little bit different. I actually I feel really good. I feel really, really good. I said, you know, I wanted to have a birthday that was extremely meaningful to me. And I feel like this birthday was just that. I actually got to see a conversation that I had with God come to fruition. And it feels extremely warm and comforting and wonderful. I don't even know if you're religious. I don't even know if you believe in God. I will say if you don't, you should. That's what I will say. I'm blessed to have my mama. I'm blessed to have amazing friends. I'm even blessed to have my ex, because we're not at odds. You know, we have our little thing here and there and stuff, but for the most part, we're not, you know, at each other's throats. We're not whatever. So I feel like my feet was landed extremely gracefully. Again, I'm not saying that it was easy. I'm not saying that I don't have challenges or I don't face any challenges. I do. I just handle them very differently now. And because I was able to see, experience, and feel last year, I know the power of praying, you know. Anyway, this video is probably like all over the place. I'm feeling a little emotional right now, so I'm gonna leave you guys here. I really hope that you are praying with a purpose. And I really hope that through the fear, you're pushing through it and you're accomplishing whatever it is you need to accomplish. It feels good. It feels good. And me saying it felt good doesn't mean that other things didn't feel good, but I'm just telling you, in this place where I stay in right now feels really, really good. But anyway, y'all have a good day. I will talk to you guys later.